Hi, today I'm going to talk about discounts and sales tax on items, how to find the original price of something that you only know the end price of. So in this problem, we have a TV. We purchased a TV on a Cyber Monday sale. It was discounted at 40%, and you paid 7.25% for sales tax. If you paid, we know that we pay $450.44, and we want to find the price of the original TV before the 40% discount and before the tax. To do this, what it intuitively feels like to do, which is wrong by the way, what it intuitively feels like to do is to take your $450 and 44 cents and to minus 40% of this, or 47.25% of this. However, our original price, or I mean to add it because it was a discount, my bad. Our original price, in this case, is going to be a bigger number than our sales price that we have right now. And 40% and 47.25% and 7.25% of a larger number is going to be larger than 47.25 and 47.25% of a smaller number. So this is not something we can do. However, if we write out what we know, logically, we'll be able to solve this in a way that will give us the correct answer. For the long answer, well, I'll do a short answer and then like a more in-depth answer, and the timestamp will be in the comments. So for the first one, basically what we're doing is, for like the short answer, basically our equation is going to look like this. X plus 0.0725 x equals 450.44. And then once we have that, we'll do, we'll say this is y. We'll do y minus, hold on, let me think for a sec. Yeah. We'll do y minus 0.40 for the 40%, y, is equal to our original price. And then when you do that, let me grab my little calculator. Well, I don't need it. Basically, when you do that, you end up with $699.98. However, for the more in-depth answer, I will continue on with that here. So when we think about our rather in English rather than in math, we know that our shelf price, not our original price, I'll get into that in a minute, minus our shelf price, or I mean plus because we're adding a price, shelf price times our rate is equal to our sale price, which is the price that we have on our receipt. In this case, it's going to be the $450.44. So in this case, we'll make this X and this X. And we know that our rate is going to be 7.25%. And we know that our sales price is going to be $450.44. Let me change the color of that really quickly. So now we can sort of put it into an equation. So X plus 0.0725, because we want it to be in decimal form rather than percentage form, times X is equal to 450.44. We want to get X by itself because we want to find the shelf price. So there's an implied 1 because 1 times anything is itself. So when we add these together, it's going to be 1.0725x is equal to $450.44. And then from there, we want to divide x by 1.0725. And we want to divide this side as well, because anything you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So 1.025. Let me calculate that really quickly. I don't have that off the top of my head. 450.44 divided by 1.0725 is going to equal $419.99. So this is the discount price. It's not the final answer we want because there's still a 40% discount, but you don't apply the 40% discount to the price that you have on your receipt. You apply it to the shelf price. Now we need to do basically the same thing, except for we want to account for the 40% discount. So it's going to be our original price, or let's do Y. Our original price minus, it's minus in this case because it's taking money, it's adding in this case, my bad. No, my bad. It's minusing. It's minusing because the original price is minusing 40% of it. So 0.4 Y is equal to our $419.99. We're going to do the same thing. There's also an implied 1 here. So we can do 0.6 because 1 minus 0.4 is 0.6. Y is equal to 419.99. We want Y by itself, so we're going to divide by 0.6 by both sides, which will give you Y is equal to, and it should give you $699.98 dollars. So this is going to be the price before the tax and before the discount was applied. So yeah, you saved quite a bit of money there, more than $200. If you have any more questions about this, just let me know. Thank you. See ya.